Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizkia Sylvie, student number 23291082. Okay, first of all, I would like to thank the lecturer and all audience for giving me the opportunity to present my observation report. Today, I will present my case study titled Student Development Progress Report, Problems and Development of Student at SMKN 1 Lingsar, West Lombok Regency. This presentation discusses the observation conducted on one student to understand adolescence development, developmental characteristics, developmental tasks, and problems experienced by the student based on educational psychology. Definition of adolescence. Adolescence is one of the most important stages of human development. It is a transition period from childhood to adulthood, during which individuals experience rapid physical, emotional, cognitive, and social change. According to World Health Organization, adolescence can be understood from biological, physiological, and social perspective, and it is generally divided into early, middle, and late adolescence. Adolescence development. Development is a lifelong process that involves change in physical growth, cognitive ability, emotional maturity, and social behavior. During adolescence, individuals begin to build their identity, become more independent, and prepare themselves for future responsibilities as adults. Developmental tasks of students. According to Halak, adolescents are expected to accomplish several developmental tasks. These include developing mutual relationship with peers, accepting physical change, becoming emotionally independent, preparing for future change, developing responsibility, and establishing personal values that will guide their behavior in society. Developmental characteristics of students. Adolescence development can be seen through socio-emotional, cognitive, and language development. At this stage, students become more aware of themselves, improve their ability to think logically, and development better communication skill. Individual factors such as motivation, personality, self-esteem, and learning style also influence their development. Data collection instrument. This observation used to instrument a questionnaire and an interview. The questionnaire consists of yes or no question related to the student physical condition, social relationship, academic life, and personal development. The interview was conducted to gain deeper information about the student's experience, family background, learning difficulties, future goals, and personal challenges. Subject data. The subject of this observation was Muhammad Farizi Deswa, a 16 years old male student from grade 10 Teknik Komputer Jaringan 1 at SMKN 1 Lingsar. The observation was conducted on May 25, 2026 by Rizkia Sylvie as a part of the Educational Psychology Course Assessment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Farizi Deswa, kelas 10 TKJ 1, umur 16 tahun, sekolah di SMKN 1 Lingsar. Ya, saya menerima keadaan fisik saya dan sangat bersyukur kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Esa atas kesehatan yang diberikan sampai saat ini. Ya, saya mampu bertanggung jawab. Contohnya, saya melakukan piket kelas di sekolah dan membantu orang tua di rumah. Dan saya menaati aturan di sekolah maupun di masyarakat. Ya, saya mempunyai cita-cita. Cita-cita saya adalah menjadi tentara. Namun, sepulang bertugas saya ingin membuat konten YouTube dan membagi keseruan dan kebahagiaan kepada penonton. Ya, saya menghargai lawan bicara. Saya mendengarkannya sampai selesai tanpa memotong pembicaraannya dan memberikan respon yang baik. Ya, saya sudah mengalami pubertas sejak umur 12 tahun. Saya bersyukur meskipun orang tua saya sudah berpisah, saya tetap mendapatkan dukungan dan kasih sayang dari keduanya. Saat ini saya tidak memiliki masalah yang besar, namun saya mempunyai trauma terhadap percintaan. Namun itu tidak menjadi penghalang untuk saya mengejar cita-cita saya. Saat memahami pelajaran, saya lumayan kesulitan karena di sekolah murid-murid kadang-kadang ribut dan tidak menghargai guru yang sedang menjelaskan. Itu menjadi salah satu alasan saya sulit memahami penjelasan dari guru tersebut. Saya pernah mengalami bullying di masa-masa SMP. Pelajaran yang paling saya sukai ada dua, yaitu PJOK dan Bahasa Inggris. Alasannya, PJOK hampir semua materi itu diajarkan di luar ruangan, sehingga lebih seru dan lebih aktif. Sedangkan bahasa Inggris mengajarkan saya untuk berkomunikasi dengan orang luar negeri. Karena bahasa Inggris adalah bahasa nasional yang dapat digunakan oleh seluruh negara. Sedangkan pelajaran yang tidak saya sukai adalah matematika karena saya agak sulit untuk memahaminya, tapi saya akan berusaha untuk terus mempelajarinya. Saya akan terus berusaha melaksanakan ibadah setiap hari, yaitu sholat 5 waktu.
Conclusion. The observation indicates that the subject has successfully achieved most adolescents' developmental tasks, despite facing bullying, family issues, and learning difficulties. He continues to show resilience, responsibility, and strong motivation. Overall, his development is consistent with the general theories of adolescence development discussed in educational psychology. In suggestion, based on these findings, it is recommended that the school counselor provide ongoing psychological support to help the subject process his past experience of bullying and trauma. Teachers are also encouraged to create a more conducive classroom environment to help address his difficulties in mathematics. Finally, continued emotional support from both parents, along with encouragement from the school, will be important in helping a subject achieve his future goal.